I'd like to show what kind of RBN hits I got using the TM Challenge wire. My end-fed wire laying on the grass. Usually the grass, the antenna towers as they were covered with dew, given that the dew point was really high last week. I hope the UFO doesn't scare you too much. I hope that's not you right there, man. Ooh, not a good situation to be in. Let's take a look-see at some signal reports. Now look at the nothing shockingly grand, but also, man, if you think I expected double-digit signal-to-noise ratios, ooh, you're wrong. I did not. And it's not like I'm spanning the globe, but I'm making it out of Michigan. And yeah, so I'm going to make this real quick. It's a bunch of silliness, but it's interesting to me anyway. You've got, you know, double-digit signal-to-noise ratios. Seeing 15 dB from this station, yeah, honestly, that did surprise me, even from a W8. Another 17 dB from a W8, but looky here. Follow my pointer. No happy little yellow, follow the dots on my videos. But KC4YVA, 14 dB, surprising. I'm going to flip to the next image. Yep, more of the same, but this time, I forgot to mention in that last screenshot there, it was 11:30 p.m. This is 4 a.m. and now my signal to noise ratio rose to 18 dB from that station. And you know, it is what it is, man. It's surprising is what it is. Now I kind of see why I was able to make a contact with West Virginia. Hell, the question is, why didn't I make a bunch of I could have made a bunch of contacts, and I still can if I want to use CW, and you know, it is what it is. But I'm not going to lay the wire on the ground again. That's silly. I want to do a little more testing with what I consider a realistic, real world, shit hits the fan, hastily installed antenna wire. And that's what I've got out in the backyard right now on top of those bamboo sticks at 6 feet high. My field day antenna. I'm going to do a little more testing with my field day antenna. I want to see, should you throw up an antenna like that? Can you realistically work people? I want to make some phone contacts on that. Do a little chit-chatting on phone with it. I want to do a little more work on CW with it. Look at the VE3, 21 dB. That's armchair copy, man. We can rag chew all day long on on my ground antenna. Anyway, so let's look at several map images. This is the first one I did, and I was feeling inspired, and I sat down and I annotated the signal to noise ratios. But that's surprising, man. That really is. There's another, this time detected by another RBN skimmer down there, and AC0C there, and this is the last shot. There you go. That's what you get, man, when you lay your antenna on the ground. Can you make contacts? Well, I made one. And I'll play with, well, no, I won't play with the wire on the ground anymore. I'm done with that. But it was fun. It was worthy of the challenge. Yeah. Old man in the beam. Ooh. I think he's going to become some kind of hybrid. I hope you are well. Take care. 73.